Namaskar, myself Dr. Supreet welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 7th February and we'll start with the highlights of today's presentation. So for next 7 days, there is no significant weather likely over the country. But there is also a western disturbance and under its influence, isolated to scattered rainfall or snowfall on higher reaches likely over our Western Himalayan region during 9 to 11 February. Now, weather observed during last 24 hours. So, dense to very dense fog where visibility was less than 50 meters observed at isolated pockets of southern Uttarakhand where Pantnagar reported 0 meter visibility, and apart from that dense fog where visibility was 50 to 199 meter reported from isolated pockets of East Uttar Pradesh. And apart from that, light rainfall, snowfall at few places have been also reported from Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, and one or two places in Uttarakhand reported ground frost. Now will the synoptic system prevailing over our region. So yesterday's western disturbance over North Pakistan neighborhood now lies over Jammu and neighborhood at 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level, with a trough aloft in middle tropospheric westerlies, which now running roughly along longitude 75 degree east to the north of latitude 32 degree north. Apart from that, subtropical westerly jet stream with core winds of the order 120 knots prevailing over northwest and northeastern parts of our country. Apart from that, there is a upper L circulation over Gulf of Mannar, which extend up to 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level. And then there is also, as mentioned earlier, another fresh western disturbance is likely to affect our Western Himalayan region from the 9th February 2026. Now we'll see the forecast of minimum temperatures for the next 7 days. So no significant change in minimum temperatures over northwest India is predicted during next 2 days. Then gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during subsequent 2 days, and thereafter no significant change likely during subsequent 3 days. And for central India, no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over central India during next 2 days, and then gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade for subsequent 3 days, and thereafter no significant change thereafter during next 2 days. For East India, next 4 days there will be no significant change in minimum temperatures or night time temperatures, and after that gradual rise is predicted by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade for subsequent 3 days. For rest part of the countries, there is no significant change in minimum temperatures forecasted during next 7 days. Now we'll see the subdivisional warning for day 1. So for day 1, that is for today night and tomorrow morning, dense fog at isolated places, especially over southern Uttarakhand, is predicted. That's why yellow warning is given for Uttarakhand for today. Apart from that, there is no significant weather warning for next 7 days except for Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh for day 4, that is 10th. As mentioned earlier, due to under the influence of western disturbances, higher reaches of Western Himalayan regions may experience light rainfall or snowfall during 9 to 11, and on 10th there is a possibility of thunderstorms, lightning and gusty wind speeds. That's why yellow warning is given for 10th for Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. And for rest of the days there is no significant weather warning. For more details and updates, please log on to our website mausam.imd.gov. Also, you may download our Mausam app. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.